On December 7, 1941, the USS West Virginia was struck by several torpedoes during the surprise attack on Pearl Harbor. The massive explosions tore through her hull, causing the battleship to list heavily and sink to the harbor floor, trapping brave sailors deep inside as chaos and smoke filled the air. Yet even in the midst of devastation, the Navy refused to let this proud vessel be lost forever. What followed was one of the most remarkable salvage operations in naval history. Engineers, divers, and shipyard crews worked tirelessly for months, patching the hull, pumping out water, and restoring critical systems until the ship finally rose once more from the depths. Rebuilt, modernized, and strengthened, the West Virginia returned to service in 1944, reborn and more powerful than before. She went on to play a decisive role in the Pacific War, including the Battle of Leyte Gulf, proving that determination and resilience can revive even a sunken giant. A battleship that truly rose from the dead.